Can typography really change everything?
Absolutely! Your design.
Then show me the font secret.
Right font, right message, right impact.
Let's make designs speak. Can fonts really ruin a whole design?
Oh yes, and today I'm revealing the secret.
Look! Same message, completely different feeling.
Wow, the font changed everything. So there's a font secret inside every great design? Exactly, and I'm going to show you how to unlock it.
Today we'll learn font types, font pairing,
Hierarchy and readability, and we'll see real design examples too. So every font has its own personality? Exactly! Fonts can feel serious, elegant, playful, or modern.
different projects need different font personalities.
So I shouldn't just use my favorite font everywhere. How do I know which fonts belong together?
Keep it simple. One font grabs attention, the other keeps things easy to read.
Big headline, smaller subheading, subheading, then body text.
Yes, that's typography hierarchy.
This looks pretty, but I can't even read it.
Exactly. Beautiful typography is useless if people can't read it.
That tiny font change made a huge difference.
See? Good typography makes the message speak.
Right font, right message, right impact. Oh no, so many fonts are making my design messy.
Exactly. 2 or 3 fonts are usually enough.
Your audience should know what to read first. So font size creates visual priority. Can color make typography stronger too?
Absolutely. Color can grab attention and create emotion.
Here's a designer trick. Can you understand the main message in 3 seconds?
Yes! If the hierarchy is clear. What are these fonts?
Serif fonts. They can feel classic and elegant.
Serif means fancy.
Fancy? Not exactly, Panda.
Sans serif fonts are clean, simple, and modern.
Perfect for modern designs. And these look handwritten.
Yes, they can feel personal and friendly.
Panda, that's too much. But my handwriting is beautiful. It's not even readable.
Display fonts are made to Grenchen.
Display fonts are made to grab attention. Perfect for headlines.
So
So every font has a job? Exactly! Choose the font for the message. Something feels wrong.
Maybe the font?
Same message.
Better font. Much better. First, choose the right font. Then pair your fonts. Make your hierarchy clear and always keep it readable. Now that is great design. Exactly! Ready for today's challenge? Born ready! First, I'll choose a strong headline font. And a simple font for the details. Perfect pairing. Now let's create hierarchy. Two colors. Don't summon the whole rainbow. Readable? Readable? Yes. Balanced? Yes. Too many fonts? No. Typography makes such a difference. Now that is a design. Today we learned font types, hierarchy, pairing, spacing, and readability. Choose wisely, keep it readable, and don't use 17 fonts. Got it, mentor.
Tomorrow, we're learning about different fonts.
See you tomorrow.